So yes, okay. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hope all of you know me. This is Prabhanjan Tripathi, and we'll start from. I think Monica is my old student here, so she has already appeared many mock with us, and we'll have GD. I think they are the first bank in this year to conduct a group discussion. Hopefully this group discussion will not be taken as there are few information from my side from Canara Bank, but we still hope that GD will be done, because in GD you can score better marks. That is what I believe. So that's why we have invited application online so that everyone will join, but we are not sure whether GD will be conducted or not. Only due to COVID-19 there is some issue with GD, but still if GD will be done, they will notify you within few days. And looking to this COVID scenario, maybe your interview will be done after 1 or 2 months. That is what I got information also. But this is a very good time for all of you to prepare well in these free times. I just want all of you to go through some of your domain knowledge, and rest I will make you prepare about how to appear interviews, how the GD will be done. We'll make it online with 6 or 7 members in a group. We will start the GD. I will also be releasing this one in YouTube so that all other people will join us, and starting from Wednesday we'll have thorough GD sessions. Why I have opened this specific, why I'm going to open this specific video for everyone, because I want everyone to be part of it, so that you can understand the competition even before appearing the interviews, the real GDPI. And I will be also trying to give you the exact questions that is going to be asked in finance and banking. This is first thing, be it Canara Bank, be it State Bank of India, or be it Bank of Baroda. No issue. Everywhere I will be giving you list of questions. I think Monica, she knows very well that what is our list of questions and how things unfold inside our classes. Okay, so rest I will be taking care of your selection. That is a personal thing that I will discuss later. So don't worry about selections, just start prepared. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. We'll make it very casual this session because it's very late. Wednesday will, starting from Wednesday, people will, most of them will enroll. So we'll have a thorough session starting from Wednesday. Please go ahead with your doubts and questions, or any questions related to the GDPI process. Please go ahead. GD, I will
have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Nilesh this side. Actually, I want to know that in GD, in this particular GD process, whether they are going to give everyone a particular set of time so that one can speak on the topic.
No.
Proper GD.
No. They will not give you. They may not allot you, because things are different every year. Okay, it depends upon the HR, or because due to COVID, many things are being changed. So they may change the process. But normally, what happens in a normal GD, the group is allotted a time, not individuals. Right?
Okay.
The group is allotted a time, not the individuals. The proper GD is the group is given a time, and if you don't speak in between, then you lose your chance. So somewhere you have to, because that is the real GD. In between you have to come into picture, so that you don't interrupt others, so that you don't disrespect others, and so that you don't speak on others. So this is the real process of a GD.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other question? Yes. We'll do the GD as it is going to be done by Canara Bank. I am also taking time till Wednesday, so that I will get some more information, because it's a holiday. I didn't get complete information. I will get some more information. Things may change looking into the COVID scenario. That all internal things will be discussed in coming days, because as I'm expecting to to release this conversation on YouTube. So I'm not discussing things that are going to be crucial for our enrolled students selection. Okay, so also I need some time to gather some information. It really takes time to have thorough information and thorough strategy, and what type of questions are asked in previous interviews, because Canara Bank is not a bank that released lateral entry exams regularly, right? Hope all of you have seen that. So we have to collect questions that are being asked in Canara Bank's internal promotional exams. So we'll decide things accordingly. Yes, please go ahead with other questions.
Hi sir, my name is Vignesh. So I have a doubts regarding this NOC certificate. Is there any necessity for this private organization people to submit it? Because I'm currently working, so I don't have any much of idea on that.
No, I think the notification in every bank's notification, it clearly mentions that if you are working in a public sector bank, you need a NOC. Okay. Sometimes they insist on NOC even if you are from private banks. But still there is a way out. You can sign an undertaking that upon your selection you will be providing it. Okay, and be it documentation part, I will be giving complete information before the next set of instruction being released, because Canara Bank is waiting the COVID situations, the SOPs and COVID, to release the next set of instruction to its interview candidates. So don't worry about it. I will be gathering exact information and we will do exactly what is required to be done for your selection. Yes, any other question? Documentation is not a serious thing. The serious thing is preparation. It is going to be a tough one. So you need to prepare, and the interviews are different in public sector banks than any corporate interviews, private bank interviews. Take this in mind. And many of you are from law, many of you are from system administrator or different domains of IT. So 40 to 50% questions will be from your domain. Rest will be on your history, your resume, your past, and normal banking, the application of banking in your domain. If you are a law officer, then don't expect that you will be asked questions on criminal justice. You will be asked questions on Negotiable Instrument Act. I hope all of you know that what are the legal issues that bankers deal with. Okay, hopefully, let me give you an example. I was just discussing, after 3-4 of the law officers joined us, I was discussing one of the law officers in Canara Bank. So last time they asked to one of the candidates is a question, just let me give you the sample of a question so that you can understand that what is our reach in every single bank. Yeah, and be it any domain, because today only I got the calls from law officers. I think who are the law officers here that they want to join in. So I got a call. I made a call. Like they asked a question that in the recent amendments of the NI Act, is there any provision made that the banks don't need to file a case, banks don't need the advocates to file a case under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act once the check is bounced? Is there any such amendment or not? Whether advocates are required to file such cases or not? Can any law officer answer this to me? So these type of questions are basically going to be asked. Your the application of your domain to banking is going to constitute 20 to 30% of your interview questions. Rest I will make you prepare, and remember one thing you must remember, that it is different than any other exam, any other interview. First thing, public sector bankers will be a bit they are mid-aged persons or and they will be at their 50s or 40s, late 40s or 50s. So they expect a bit different from you. The way of your uh, dressing sense should be bit different than a corporate interview. That is the second thing. Third thing is very crucial. You must understand that first 1 minute of your interview, hardly first 1 minute or 30 to 45 seconds of your first conversation with the interview board will decide whether you are in or not. In bank interviews, I have been with many people, many bank interviews with many interviewers. So I always ask how you decide that whether this person is suitable to work in a bank or not. So they say that the way he starts delivering in first 30 seconds, we assume whether we are going to take him or not, and rest is just the formalities. They have to buy your time, so that if they will tell you at 30 seconds, I will not select you, that's not fair. Okay, so they have to buy some time of yours. So they keep on asking questions. So the way you start your interview is always crucial in any interview, but in banking interview especially, because they are a bit tired of taking interviews. So they will decide that whether they will select this person or not. Your appearance, your gesture, your coming into how you sit, how you start how you start answering the first answer, or if it is told that please introduce yourself. And still people introduce themselves as you are in lateral entry segment, so don't introduce yourself as a probationary officer. Okay, so how is there anyone who want to introduce himself to me? Few of you can you introduce me? Can you introduce yourself to me, so that I will not like interviews, just I want to understand domains, etc. Is there anyone?
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, good evening, sir. Vineet this side.
Yes, Vineet, go ahead.
I am Vineet Chawla, son of Subhash Chandra Chawla. I have qualified my chartered accountancy in November 2016 and working as a credit manager with the HDFC Bank from last 3 years. I am basically working in the credit profile for unsecured loan. I have a loan capacity of 12.5 lakhs with myself. That is approval ratio is with myself.
Okay, Vineet.
I have total,
Yes, I will understand this from about yourself. But how you started? You said your name, then you said a son of
father name Subhash Chandra Chawla.
Okay. My due respect to him. But see, you are appearing a lateral entry exam. Okay. You have to tell your father's name when you are a PO. You have nothing to tell. If I will go for a PO interview, don't mind it. Okay. This is just an example. We'll discuss thoroughly about it, so that my students will have a knowledge. We'll have thorough discussion on your profile. And this is not an introduction. You forget that I am rectifying you. You have to come up with such mistakes again, and I will re-rectify in a dignified manner, in a complete session, in a good session. Okay. So when a PO comes for the interview, he doesn't have a story to tell. He is just a person. He has completed his graduation, preparing for 2-3 years, and he will just qualified the written, and he has appeared for the interview. That's why he will tell his father's name. My father is doing his job in state government, and I am from Kanpur, and which is known for so and so. They will tell like this. But you are appearing for lateral entry exam, so you must start from the last sentence that you uttered, where I told you to stop. What you told in the last line, do you remember that? That I have total experience of, 4 years. So that should be your starting point. And remember, in a lateral entry exam, what is the most important thing in a lateral entry exam? On what basis you are going to be selected?
That is experience.
So that should come first, na?
Yeah.
That should come first. And I told you that if in first 10 or 15 seconds or 30-40 seconds of your interview is important, when they will try to tell you to introduce yourself, if they will check your resume, it's okay. But if they will tell you to introduce yourself, what I will feed in their mind? I will feed all the plus points of my career to them in the first 10 to 20 seconds. And beyond 20 seconds, they will get bored to listen to me. So the first few things that I will tell them is going to be crucial for my interview. If I am going to appear for a credit manager's interview and I have certified credit professional degree with me, anyway I have to make them hard that I have certified credit professional degree. So that degree is important for my selection. Hence, I have to put this forward in first 10 or 15 seconds. I have 5 years of banking experience or 10 years of banking experience, and it is required only 4 years of banking experience to be selected in this post. Whereas I'm overqualified, I have 10 years of experience. So I will start like this, that I have 10 years of banking experience, rich banking experience or only banking experience, 10 years of banking experience, and I am also qualified certified credit professional. Then I will come to all other codes, all other necessary things, because I know that only by listening these two things, they may select me. These are the few things that you have to keep in mind. I will also rectify you more in coming days, because we have a very good amount of time with us. Getting it? Don't
Okay,
take
sir.
it otherwise. You have a very
No,
good
sir.
experience. Yes. Maybe by telling this, you will not lose that much of mark. But why you will take a risk? Because if in 10 seconds or 15 seconds or in between they will interrupt you, they may not listen the plus point of yours, because you told at last about your total experience, right? Maybe they are running short of time, they will cut you short. If they will cut you short in between, they will not understand that you have 10 years of experience. Maybe it is written in your resume, it is written in your application form, your biodata form, but they will not visit to that place. Nah? They may not visit, they may skip that one. So you have to make them hard what is necessary them to listen to make you select in past 10-15 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So things should change like this. We'll discuss more about that. Okay. And we will tell them, we will make them hear what they love to hear. Okay. So sometimes you have to say the truth. You have to keep aside. Sometimes you have a very good past, very good truth. But in order to get selected, you have to tell something, some lies, right? So I believe that appearing interviews are similar to contest a election. You have to advertise yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So you cannot be so humble that you will say, if it is asked, what do you know about banking after 10 years? Don't be that humble. People always say be down to earth. Don't make your own advertisement. Don't tell a lot about yourself from your own mouth. So that is not going to work in interview. In interview, you advertise yourself, you sell yourself, right? So you have to tell something, some lies. You have to tell a lie in order to get selected. So I will be telling you that only, that also, where you have to change, where you have to adapt some masala. Okay, so maybe you have a very impressive thing, but they may be looking someone who has worked in this domain, have some bit of exposure in this domain, or they have some liking. Maybe the interview board is from outside Canara Bank, or some retired employees. They want to listen something else. So we'll discuss things in that passion as well. Okay. So I will also keep all of you the time to change the way you are speaking, where to add some other thing, because you cannot sell the truth all the time to win. Sometimes you have to tell a lie. You have to tell a lie. Okay. So I will make you confident how to tell a lie. I know that it sounds a bit ridiculous to all of you, but yes, there are few tricks to make you qualify. Okay, so like someone is told that I asked someone in an interview, what is your achievement? He said, what could be my achievement, sir? I am in a rural branch. My total business is 4 crores. My advance is 4 crores, my deposit is 5 crores. So what could be my achievement? I just run the branch. I said to him, it was on a real interview. I came out, I said to him, the way you told, that is honesty, but it will not make you selected, because for this post, bank requires a man who is having exposure. If you say that I have only 4 crore branch, because I will not go to your bank and I will ask how much of balance sheet of the branch balance sheet, please show me what is the balance sheet of the branch, because I will not go, nobody will go. So if you would have told that it's a 50 crore advance, 50 crore deposit or 60 crore deposit like this, then it would have been bit catchy. We would have understood that you have exposure. By only listening that you are working a small branch, you will get deselected immediately. So if you will not add some masalas into this, and you are into lateral entry, you are not a PU, you are into lateral entry, you are going to be selected on basis of your exposure to your past job or your past performances. So add something that is required. And I also told him the other thing that I am revealing to you. We'll discuss it elaborately in coming days. I also told him and how to tell that lie with so much of confidence. You have to think of the business of your nearest biggest branch. That is it. Think that you are the branch manager of your nearest biggest branch. Okay, your nearest bigger branch, right? So things will get easy. I will not go and check how much of business you have done. If you will say that I got repeatedly every single month my chairman has given me hours, I will not tell you and I will not ask you go and send me the pics, right? ठीक है, जीतना जरूरी है, बाकी सब कुछ तो ठीक है. If you win at last, then it is worth participating in a game. So this is it. I will also try my best to get whatever info I can get. That I will be discussing in coming days. So just believe in yourself. Things will be done, and you are at the best platform for this mock interviews and lateral entry. So I will take care of everything, like my SBI CBO PNBSO result, which is we have done 80% plus. We just want to continue this again. Okay, so I just need all of your support, and I will also invite everybody else to join so that they can explore the competition and you can explore the competition. Here we have so many people from banking, law, IT, etc. Okay, Sri Vignesh, you were saying I have registered in portal. Yes, because it was in between this session. It is in between the session you have registered, so it will take time. Probably tonight or by tomorrow morning you will be getting the user ID password in the application. Okay, so in application I will be releasing few of my mock interviews to the PNBSO people and SBI CBO people so that you can check them out. How internally we rectify. Okay, so it's getting late. We'll have the next session by Wednesday, and by Wednesday I'm expecting at least 30-40 more people will join us, so that we'll have a group discussion in a real group, the real people that they are going to face your interviews, so that we'll have a great session ahead. And yes, GD will play a very, very important role if it takes place. There are some doubt about COVID-19, otherwise they would have made it. But still, if GD is going to take place, it is going to be mark fetching one for you. It is going to be mark fetching one for you, and I will be telling you the tricks for that. Okay, and once you face these people in an online debate with them, online GD with them, it will be easier for you in the real ones, because you may be going to face this same kind of people again in your panel. So that I am going to make easy for you. So this platform will be used for that. Next, this session is done from my mobile due to some issues in our classroom software. So next session we'll have from our classroom softwares. So take care. Good night. This is just for introduction. Just I wanted to know the way we are going to start. So Any question? Any question from you?
Sir,
Is-
yeah, myself Mavis. Okay, I am trying for this IT administrator post. So when I saw the result, so many some of my relatives were telling it is a Mangalorean based bank, and now it is nationalized. But even though they will be selecting the candidates from their end, there will be inner games will be going on. You will not get the job like that. Some are discriminating. Is there any fact like that, sir?
No. But I didn't understand what they told. It's a Mangalorean based company, bank. What they will do?
No, they were telling there will be, of course, inner games will be going on. Nothing you can able to do. It will be like some corporate bank or something. As it is not done directly through IBPS, they will be just doing by their end, something like that. They were telling. Usually in Kerala, cooperative banks were there.
Yeah, but it is a public sector bank. Okay, so if anybody is having any insider link, I have more than them. So don't worry about it. If anyone is having any link with Canara Bank, I have more links than them. So there will be no inner game. I don't know that in public sector banks they do it. Merits get rewarded everywhere. Merits get rewarded. So if anybody else is having any link, then we also have links. So it's a public sector bank. It's open for all. Yes. So Wednesday we'll have GD based class, Monica. Yeah.
Thank you.
So don't worry about it. You just look into the selections. So similar banks were there in Bank of India, then your UCO Bank, then your PNB. So, but in all these exams, 90% of our students got selected only because these people were having trust on themselves. They have trust on ourselves also. They were having trust on the platform also. And we have done extreme hard work to make them qualify. And finally, hard work pays off. Don't worry about it. Maybe they have seen only the corporate cooperative banks, but Canara Bank is a bank of its repute. So don't worry about it. Okay.
Thank you for your valuable information, sir.
So don't worry. You just give your best on your domain. Rest I will take care here, and we'll have more information than anyone else. In banking, I have more information than anyone else. My course developers are from very reputed posts of bank, from every bank. So I think if you will ask any one of my previous students, they will be telling you what kind of exposure we are having in banking industry. So don't worry about it. Okay. Yeah, MD I said yes. You just keep on preparing.
Hi, sir. This is Yasir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I first want to understand how the finance manager job is different from credit officer role.
Same job?
Is it same?
Almost same.
Okay.
Almost same.
Okay.
And credit officers are nowadays also doing general banking jobs. Okay.
Right,
so don't worry. Finance manager is almost same kind of job.
Okay. So my second question is, what will be the probable location for interview? Is it headquartered, Bangalore?
No, it will be in different zonal offices. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Nilesh, go ahead with your question.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have a question that how is the interview process of the Canara Bank is different from a GBO process, because I have been appeared in GBO interview twice in 2018 and in 2019, and I have got decent marks in the interview. So I just want to know how it is going to be different than that.
Then GBO in GBO, RRB GBO, na? You are talking about RRB GBO.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In RRB GBO, they don't grill you. They only ask you questions. Here you will be grilled. You will be thoroughly grilled. Okay. You will be thoroughly grilled. You need command on the subject matter. Okay. And you have to display some kind of attitude that bankers should possess. So that is the public sector banking interviews are different than IBPS. And in IBPS GBO, the people, those who are taking interviews, they are not that much concerned about your selection, because they are maybe from different bank. Your choice could be some other bank. Many are from outside. So things are different. And here the people from Canara Bank, they are taking the interview and they are entrusted with the responsibility to find out that whether you are suitable for the bank or not. If they find you outrightly, if they find you not that much suitable, they will outrightly deselect you. There your written marks will not come into picture. They will make you fail. They are entrusted with that. They are given the power to understand whether this person is eligible to work with us or not. So you have to be bit careful in order to answer the questions. You just cannot beat around the bush in a public sector bank interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Monica, CS job will be different. CA will be processing high value credits, etc. And audit departments you will be taking care of. And finance manager can be posted to big branches, hubs, etc. Okay. They will be processing normal credit documents, etc. CA job is a bit different in banks than finance manager. Okay. So that's it. We'll discuss further in coming days. So thank you for joining in.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you all. Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.